The reason this is difficult is because at every age or age range, the sleep requirements are different.
Okay.
So babies will sleep a lot more than if it's a toddler and than if it's a school age child. My guess should be that the child should be getting about 9 hours of sleep. Yes, on average, that's a guess. So even though I'm not able to answer it quite specifically, it's a good question because children should get a lot of sleep. When they sleep, a lot of things happen. Their brain grows, their body is repaired. They tend to do better in school because then they don't go to school tired. And because they sleep well, it has a way of protecting them against obesity, which will come with other diseases like hypertension, diabetes, those sort of things. So children should get a lot of sleep. It's a problem when they spend a lot of time, say, watching TV in the night and so on, and then they don't go to bed early because the next day they are going to wake up tired. So sleep is good. It helps if in the home there is like a bedtime routine. At this time, you should go to bed. Let's say it's 8 p.m. It must be 8 p.m. all the time. Even on weekends and vacations, it must be 8 p.m. And then there's a specific set of activities that you do before your child goes to bed.
Okay.
Maybe you take a bath, you read a book, you sing a lullaby, those sort of things. And then they have a good sleep.
So it should be something that tells the child, be getting ready to sleep.
Children sort of just thrive on routine,
Okay.
you know. And then those who find it difficult to sleep, maybe it's because it's always varying. Whatever they do in the night is always varying. But if there's a set of activities, by the time you get to the first, second activity, you're in the mood. You know that it is going to be bedtime. Yes.
All right. Doc, let me quickly ask this. When you say a child should have, or a child at this stage should have 9 hours of sleep, do you mean that includes naps and other, short forms of sleep the child will take throughout the day, or this is nighttime uninterrupted sleep?
So for this question, I answered it thinking only about nighttime uninterrupted sleep because a lot of children at 6 years don't need a nap during the day. Younger ones certainly do, but a lot of children at 6 years don't need a nap during the day.
Joy Prime, the ultimate experience.